In this video, we're going to take a look at 3 tools that will help you refine the mask after you create it. So let's first create our primary mask. To do that, I'm going to select the drop brush from the tool well, and then I'm just going to make a stroke along the sky here. Now, if I zoom in and select a region of the mask, you can see that there's still a bit of a halo along the edge here. You can see that there are remnants of the original sky. Now we have to refine our mask. The 3 refine tools that we're going to use here are the pen tool, the chisel tool, and the blur tool, located in the tool L on the left of the screen. Let's start with the pen tool. First, I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to start drawing along the edge here. The pen tool is intelligent, and it'll start snapping to the edges of the mask. Now, I'm just going to make a few points here, and then I'm going to select the original point. I know I can make this selection when another circle appears around that original point. When I click, I'm going to close the path, and now I have a gavel icon. All I need to do is click inside of this selection, and the mask will be made. Now you can see that we've removed the halo from that section. Another tool that's really effective for removing halos on edges is the chisel tool. The chisel tool will shave off 1 pixel layer off of the mask, so this is great for removing these sorts of halos. Now watch, as I drag along the edge here, it's only removing 1 pixel, which is enough to remove that halo from the edge of my mask while retaining the original shape. You can also go up here and remove that halo. And you can see how even though the brush is going over the original mountain, we're still preserving that shape. The final tool we're going to use is the blur tool. The blur tool is really helpful when you want to smooth out that transition from the original image and your mask. Just like the chisel tool, all I need to do is draw along the edge, and it'll soften that area. The more strokes you make, the softer the mask will be at that edge. And if you need to continue to refine your mask, you can do so using the chisel tool. And now if you zoom out, you'll have a nice clean mask.